What's up guys, OKCuber here. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the 2x2. Let's get right into it. The first step in solving the 2x2 Rubik's Cube is going to be making the first layer, which will look like this whenever you're done. Basically, it's the same as 3x3 whenever you put in the corners. So let's say we have orange and green, orange goes with orange, so we can do an F to make that go with the orange, and then red and green, you can just do the radial, just like on 3x3. Let's say you only have one piece. What you would do is the exact same thing as 3x3, which, how I taught is, if this piece is in the way, you would move it over so this piece could go into its correct slot. The second step in solving the 2x2 is going to be making the yellow face. So it would look like this. Let me teach you that right now. After you do one of those OLLs, whichever one you have, you're going to go on to PLL. I think there's only like 4 PLLs. There's going to be the Y perm, the J perm or T perm. It's actually a T perm. If you know a J perm and a T perm and a Y perm, then you'll be good. I think that's about it, and let me do a example solve to end the video.